Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we go beyond the hype and give you real, research-driven reviews you can trust. Today, we're diving into a high-performance grooming tool that's been getting a lot of attention: the Philips Norelco S9000 Prestige Rechargeable Wet and Dry Electric Rotary Shaver, model SP984184. This is a premium electric shaver designed for men, so I had my husband help test it out so we could bring you an honest and thorough breakdown from a beauty science and consumer performance perspective. This device is engineered with advanced Sense IQ technology, meaning it actually senses and adapts to your unique facial hair and shaving technique in real time. It's meant to give you a close, smooth shave, even if you're dealing with a full 7-day beard. It features 72 self-sharpening dual-steel precision blades capable of delivering up to 165,000 cutting actions per minute. The UltraFlex suspension system allows the heads to move independently in multiple directions, contouring precisely to the shape of the face, while the guide and cut system helps lift and direct hairs into the blades. Add to that the Hydro Skin Glide coating, composed of 500,000 microtech beads per square centimeter, and the brand claims this coating delivers 50% smoother glide and less irritation. Now let's talk about how this actually performed in real life. My husband used this shaver over the course of 2 weeks in a variety of conditions: dry shaves, wet shaves with shaving cream, and even post-gym when the skin's a bit more sensitive. Right away, the ergonomics stood out. It has a sleek, solid build that fits naturally in the hand, and the control layout is intuitive. Turning it on, you immediately feel this isn't your average electric shaver. It's quiet but powerful. One of the most noticeable aspects was how little pressure was needed. The UltraFlex heads did a great job hugging the jawline and chin without dragging or catching. Even in denser areas like the neck and cheeks, the performance was consistently smooth. What stood out most was the smart sensor that adjusts to hair density. When going over thicker areas, you can feel the device respond, delivering a bit more power without increasing harshness, a huge plus for avoiding razor burn or irritation. Now, while this is certainly a luxury grooming device, it's not perfect. The included trimmer is functional, but not quite as precise or sharp as a dedicated standalone trimmer, especially for edge detailing around the beard or mustache. Also, while the cleaning pod is a great addition, it does take up counter space, and replacement cartridges for the cleaning solution are something you'll need to budget for regularly. Let's weigh the experience. On the plus side, this shaver delivers an incredibly close and comfortable shave. The nanoparticle blades stay sharp, the Skin Glide technology makes a real difference on sensitive skin, and the ability to go wet or dry adds flexibility. It's also rechargeable with a premium travel case, making it a great pick for frequent travelers or professionals. On the downside, the price is high, the cleaning system isn't exactly compact, and the trimmer attachment could be more refined for detailing. Quick pause here. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers and their partners can find this too. Your support helps us keep creating real, no-nonsense content on Beautyistic. Now let's talk money. This is not a cheap shaver. It sits firmly in the high-end category. But for what it offers, cutting-edge tech, adaptive power, premium materials, and high durability, the price can be justified if you're someone who values daily grooming efficiency, comfort, and long-term skin health. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, the Philips Norelco Series 7000 offers decent performance and comfort at nearly half the price, though the closeness and sensor tech don't quite measure up to the S9000 Prestige. When it comes to build quality, Philips didn't cut corners here. The outer shell is sturdy and sleek with a brushed metal finish, and everything from the power button to the trimmer feels solid and well manufactured. After several uses, there was no loss in power or sharpness, and the battery life easily lasts for multiple full shaves between charges. Based on our testing, it holds up in terms of both performance and durability. Customer service wasn't needed in our case, but Philips has a strong reputation for support on their higher-end models. They offer a 2-year warranty, and replacement parts like heads and cleaning cartridges are easy to find. To sum it up, this is a premium shaver built for someone who's serious about comfort, closeness, and skincare. It won't be the best fit for budget-conscious buyers or those who only shave occasionally. But if you or your partner are looking for a top-of-the-line grooming tool with real tech-driven benefits and expert-level engineering, the Philips Norelco S9000 Prestige holds its own. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase this product is in the description box or pinned in the comments below. And if you or your partner have used this shaver, drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.